Hi, this is Crystal Starr with iChakras Zen Center, and today we're talking about crystals. The next stone I want to talk about is citrine. Citrine has a yellowish, translucent tinge, and this is the stone I always recommend for my clients when they're full of fear, worry, anxiety, when they're sabotaging their own future because they don't even realize what they're worth, that they deserve to succeed. That means that your chakras are craving the frequency that comes from citrine. Just so you know, the frequency that comes from citrine is very similar to the frequency that comes from the sun. Our solar plexus is connected to the sun, hence why it's called solar plexus. It could be solar charged, and that's what this little guy right here is for. So if you want to use citrine, keep it in the center of your palm where your minor chakras are, or you could keep it on the solar plexus itself, which is right in the center of the rib cage, breastbone area. You could lie down with it, meditate, do affirmations, even just relax with the stone on your body if you don't feel like meditating, or even if you don't have time. Now, if you want to look up citrine in Enchanted Crystals, you're going to turn to page 58, and let's see here. Releases you from fears and increases strength and self-esteem, calms and relieves depression, opens one's mind to new ideas. Of course, the color is that translucent yellow. Its element is fire, and its chakra is solar plexus. Now, the best citrine you're going to find come from Brazil. So when you buy a citrine, you might want to ask where they come from. There's just something about the stones from Brazil that are supercharged. I always love buying my stones from the ones that come from the mines in Brazil. If you have any questions about anxiety, worry, fear, depression, how to boost your self-confidence and know how much you're worth, I would love to answer your questions. So please leave your comments in the area below, like and subscribe. Love and light.